Take a ride in the 2021 Discovery. The Discovery is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British carmaker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.